Okay, so I overstayed my visa and then I got married to a U.S. citizen. Can I get, can I get a green card and can I stay in the United States? And the answer is that depends. And so if you entered what's called with inspection, you got a visa and a stamp at the border, then yes, you can adjust your status while in the United States and while marrying a U.S. citizen. And so in essence, what the government is saying is, since you're an immediate relative of a U.S. citizen, we're gonna, look the other way, and we're gonna forgive you for this, violation of overstaying your status. Now, on the flip side, if you cross the border undocumented, there was no stamp at the border, there was no inspection, as we call it, you cannot do your adjustment of status while in the United States. You could, if you, file for what's called a provisional waiver, you could do it and stay in the United States, and then when it comes time to actually get the waiver, meaning a waiver is something that an officer of USCIS has discretion over, meaning that they can give it to you or they cannot. To do that waiver, I mean, you can file it while in the US if you're using a provisional waiver, but you have to go overseas to the consulate to go through the interview for the waiver. And so your adjustment of status is filed here in the States. The waiver is filed here in the States, but then you have to go, when you have the interview overseas, 24 hours, what have you, get the interview done and then come back and then hopefully make sure that, that waiver gets approved there. Now, on the flip side, if you don't have the right to do a provisional waiver from within the United States, meaning you have left, you can ultimately, you need to ultimately file a regular waiver, and that it's going to keep you outside the country for 9 to 12 months, depending on the situation. But that's how you handle the situation where you have overstayed your visa and then you get married to a U.S. citizen. Thank you for watching.